Hello and welcome to my video. Today I want to show you how to crochet these very simple stars as a Christmas decoration. Wish you a lot of fun, subscribe to my channel and let's begin. The star I will crochet with the cotton yarn. This is Catania from Schachenmeier, but if you want you can use any yarn. We need matching crochet hook. I use 2.5 mm, scissors and sewing needle. I start with the magic ring and crochet first round, 5 single crochet in the ring, 1, 2, 4 and 5. Now pull yarn and close the ring and finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. Now I have 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Second round I start in the same stitch, chain 2, and I crochet 2 double crochet. They are close together. Yarn over in the same stitch, grab yarn, pull yarn through 2 loops, one more time, yarn over in the same stitch, grab yarn, pull yarn through first 2 loops, and now through last 3 loops. It was this first stitch. Now chain 3. In the next stitch I close 3 double crochet together. Yarn over, grab yarn, pull yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, grab yarn, pull yarn through first 2 loops, and one more time, yarn over, grab yarn, pull yarn through first 2 loops. Now I have 4 loops on the hook, and yarn, grab yarn and through all 4 loops. Chain 3 and the same repeat in every stitches. Two and 3, and now through all loops, and again chain 3. This is repeat to the end of round. In the last stitch 3 double crochet close together, 1, 2 and 3, through all loops, chain 3, and finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. Now I have 6 sections. Second round, in this first section I crochet slip stitch, chain 2, and now 2 double crochet close together. This is third, yarn over, grab yarn through 2 loops, yarn over, grab yarn through 2 loops, and now through these 3 loops. Chain 3 and 3 double crochet close together in the same section. 1, 2, 3, through all loops, and now chain 1, front post double crochet in this stitch, yarn over, crochet hook to the back and to the front, grab yarn, pull yarn, through 2 loops and through 2 loops. This is front post double crochet. Chain 1. In the next section, 3 double crochet close together, 3 through all loops, chain 3, and the same 3 double crochet close together, 3 through all loops, chain 1, front post double crochet, chain 1, and 2 times 3 double crochet close together in every section. This repeat to the end of round. In the last section, 3 double crochet close together, chain 1, front post double crochet, chain 1, and finish round with the slip stitch in this first stitch. Round 4, slip stitch in this next section. Now chain 3 and I crochet 3 double crochet, normal, not close together. 1, 2 and 3. Together with these chain stitches I have 4. Now chain 2 and 4 double crochet in the same section. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Chain 1 single crochet in this front post double crochet, chain 1, and again in the next section 4 double crochet, 2, and 4, chain 2, and again 4 double crochet in the same section, and 4, chain 1, single crochet in this front post double crochet, chain 1, and again 4 double crochet, chain 2, 4 double crochet. This repeat to the end of round. It was last section, chain 1, single crochet in this stitch, chain 1, and finish round with the slip stitch in this third stitch, 1, 2, 3. Now looks like this. If you want, you can finish the work in this round, but I will crochet 2 rounds more. Round 5, chain 3, and now I have here 3 stitches, and I crochet back post double crochet, yarn over, crochet hook from the back to the front and again to the back, grab yarn, pull yarn, through 2 loops and through 2 loops. This is back post double crochet. Next one, from the back to the front, again to the back, pull yarn, through 2 and through 2, and the last time in this hole 2 normal double crochet, 1 and 2, chain 2, and again 2 double crochet in the same hole, 1, 2. And now in the next 4 stitches, here I have 4 2, but this first stitch are chain stitches. Therefore here 1 back post double crochet in the next 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3 and 4, and now in this single crochet I crochet front post double crochet. Here grab yarn, pull yarn, through 2 and through 2, and again in the next 4 stitches back post double crochet, 1, 2, 3 and 4. In this hole 2 normal double crochet, chain 2, 2 normal double crochet, again 4 back post double crochet, and this repeat to the end of round. Last front post double crochet, and finish round with the slip stitch in this 1, 2, 3, 4th stitch. It was round 5. Now round 6, this is last round, chain 3. Here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 stitches, but I crochet back post double crochet only in the last 4 stitches. One, two, three, and 4. 2 double crochet in this hole, 2, chain 2, and 2 double crochet in the same hole, and 2. On this side I have 6 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, but I crochet back post double crochet only in the first 5 stitches. One, two, three, 4 and 5. Skip this stitch and I crochet front post double crochet in this front post double crochet. Again, skip the first stitch and crochet 1 back post double crochet in the next 5 stitches, and this repeat to the end of round to the here. Last front post double crochet, and now I will sew the last stitch. Cut yarn, pull yarn, and now with sewing needle I will sew the last stitch here in this 1, 2, 3, 4 from the front to the back through both loops, and in this last stitch only in the back loop from the front to the back, and sew yarns on the back side, this yarn and this yarn too, and now looks like this. At the end I starch the stars and pull them on styrofoam, and the decoration is ready. If you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and see you next time.